I quit Uber and Lyft. Gosh, these jokes of a company, guys. I'm gonna I'm gonna get started. They're not a joke of a company, but I'm gonna tell you why I quit Uber and Lyft and what my plan is to start driving again for rideshare. Okay, so please thumbs up the video, my friends. It's a very important video. Before I get started, I want to tell you, I don't want to hear from you guys. Have you quit Uber and Lyft yet? Is your plan to ever quit Uber and Lyft? Are you gonna drive forever while gas prices keep soaring and fares keep going down? So I want to tell you all before we get started about Current. Current is an awesome app that I use, and you can start earning income on here. Well, how? Well, they pay you 4% APY on your savings, and I have $1,000 in my account right here. It's not focusing, but it is legit, and you can get paid up to 2 days faster. There are no account minimums, no fees. Check it out. So yeah, let's get started. So I quit Uber because honestly, I just didn't see it as a profitable business model. And it's why? Because I mean, very profitable because there's so many expenses. And quite frankly, I'm just gonna be frank, it's very difficult to run a profitable business as an Uber driver or a Lyft driver. You have to be incredibly smart. And if you're incredibly smart, a lot of times it's like it's worth it more to just seek another more high-paying, skillful job. The reason why it's so incredibly difficult to run a profitable business is because your expenses are so high. And number one is your car expense. Your car expense is so high as an Uber driver. You have to pay for your own gas. That's one. It's not the only thing. You have to pay for wear and tear on your car. Every mile you put on the car, even the IRS has estimated that it costs you roughly 58.5 cents every single mile you put on your car. And Uber drivers and Lyft drivers put on hundreds of miles on their car a week, which I mean, it's almost like a scam how Uber makes drivers pay for their own cars. And they advertise it as like, oh, you're making 30 to 40 bucks an hour, but they really love to hide the fact that you got to pay for your, you're going to eat the costs in one way or another through depreciation on your car, wear and tear on your car. If you're one of those people who say, oh, depreciation doesn't matter, I'm never selling my car. Oh, depreciation doesn't matter. You need to lose your pride for a second and realize that depreciation matters because your car is worth a certain amount of value. And every time you put a mile on your car goes down in value. That's your net worth. It's declining. So anyways, the reason so if you been watching my channel, somebody crashed into me and I can't sign up right now. So my plan, I want to get this car repaired. If you guys are a mechanic, if any of you guys know, the reason why I can't do it is because the other party didn't take fault, even though it was their fault. I was driving straight. They were turning left in front of me. They're trying to say, usually that's like easy, no-brainer. It was their fault, but they're trying to say, I was speeding, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. They're a smaller insurance company. The dude totaled his car, by the way. My car, I pretty much slowed down. He slammed into me, crashed into a tree, and I think he was drunk. Anyways, I'm like, whatever. I gotta either go through my insurance, pay the $500 deductible. My insurance probably, it's not my fault on my insurance. Like, they deemed it wasn't my fault, but they're like such a headache to deal with, the other company. I had to go file a police report, etc. But anyways, I want to get this fixed, but as I've been filming this video, I'm thinking maybe I could just repair it on my own. I mean, it's like not horrible looking and it still drives fine. What do you guys think? Should I try to like fix this? I don't know if Uber will pass it or if I'll get, I mean, gosh, this looks pretty bad in there. Like this, I can replace this, obviously. This is an easy replacement. 50 bucks on Amazon and you can just get a new one there. Annoying though. So anyways, that's my plan to get back on the road. But let me know your thoughts. What should I do in this situation? And yeah, I'm definitely gonna start driving again. Just so I can, walk the walk, not just talk the talk on this channel, because lately I haven't been out on the road and I literally can't. But I want to, so I can be able to go over a week of earnings, so I can go over current tips and provide current And a lot of stuff I've been doing lately is just news, which, you know, people like, but we want to talk about earnings, and I want to be able to provide that information for you guys. So, anyways, wanted to make that quick update video just so you guys are all aware of what's going on. And I want to be transparent on this channel. I don't want you guys to think, oh, Dylan's a full-time Uber driver, and how does he have all this time to film videos? It's like, well, I'm not driving right now. And I want you guys to know that. I don't want you guys to think, like people in the comment section, oh, Dylan's not an Uber driver. He's not. Well, it's like, yeah, I'm not right now. But I mean, I have my apps on my phone still, and I'm trying to get back on the account. So anyways, let me know what you would do in this situation. This is a 2011 Ford Escape, and everything else runs fine. I got a great set of 4 tires on here. I just replaced 2 of them not too long ago. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, actually, this one's... No, that one looks okay to me, actually. Yeah, these tires look fine. It's just, I mean, it's just this, like... I got it estimated, by the way, as three grand to get this all fixed. Obviously, I would only pay the deductible, but, you know, my insurance would probably go up after that. And then I do have this little dinger on here, which is annoying because it's right here. Oh, and somebody did a hit and run on me here. On this side. You can see right there. They hit and run on me while I was parked at a cafe. I walked out and I saw that. No note, nothing. And then this was another time, another hit and run. People are just crashing into me left and right, my friends. So anyways, you know what you guys think I should do in the situation, and that's my kind of plan, I guess. I mean, as of now, my plan is just to pay the deductible and get it fixed, have the mechanic do it all. But if you know a mechanic, or I'm open to doing a shout out on the channel, or a couple shout outs, maybe doing a series of, you know, I could easily get you guys a lot of business if you're a mechanic in Orange County or Los Angeles or San Diego, that area, or even Inland Empire. I can drive the car. I can give you a shout out if you guys want to give me a deal. We'll talk. I have my email in the description. But anyways, guys, wanted to make that update. Sign up for Current down below if you'd like. Current is an awesome company. I know I've been talking about them a lot, but they're like the best new online bank, and I'm using them now. I'm trying to transition away from my Bank of America because they don't pay me interest. I have, you know, a decent amount of money in my savings account, and I'm getting paid 0.04% interest. Current pays 4% interest, which is 100 times higher. It's kind of a no-brainer, and you know, I'm assuming just because they're a new company, they want to get people signed up, so they're doing that. But they are also helping drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. You know, cashing out 2 days faster. You can get what's it called? I don't know why there's a car right here. He just like parked right here. I'm like, bro, it's kind of intimidating. But yeah, guys, check out Current using my link below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye now.